Yo, lâu sudah ya. Guys, aku makan the what the walking dead. Sai game nhưng mà to đấy. Ngày muốn lên nhưng đòn đó. Game smoke smile với đang đòn này này. Mình mới chọn với mình ở đây này. Ok, những ai trâu lan bán. Bật phi lan này trâu rồi. Ở đây. Phòng thử ấy. Ok. Mình mà nhọn. Zombie mà các ba sao mình gặp lương sao banh vậy. Ok. Mình chạy tê vô này. Bịa. Sầm lấp đôi sức ngặt. Nhưng bọn nó ngặt đơn này. Bọn không nhặt đơn này.
Let's get the ones over there, head upstairs, and get out of here.
To tiếng. Bảo chơi nhà đá này. Cái đây. Ớt mơ càng lơ thì. Ok. Cái đây. Cái lia rịch khô này. Chơi thơi kìa. Sao mày mà. Yo, bọn nó đăng tao rồi. Ồ, đây. Vô tôi là vi máu. Ok, ban tôi là vi. À, toàn ơi, vô tôi là vi thôi mà. Lấy những ban tôi là vi. Con miền này thì lan hay tôi vô thằng lan này. Mình là món này mình. Chộp. Thằng điện miền chứ. Mới xin. Ở đây ở miền này. Số bọn ấy sao?
Be careful getting up close to these guys. I can't always cover you.
Có là nấy ớt mơ lan ở đây. Thơi tiểu học. What? Mấy giờ? Hỏi thơ mẹ. Hỏi tranh lại nó cái tranh cào thì. Này món này vâng. Món này vâng. Phải mà vô tôi là với thơ kia đã mùi luôn nè. Thơ kia sẽ bị ngọt vào đây. Ớt này mà. Mình này thơ ấy. Ok. Ngọt đòn tia tới hay. À, ôi trời lòng bạt lịch cho chơi chuột trọt rồi. Em mà là phải chạy ô tô rồi ngọt đã thừa. Có bao nhiêu. Sao mấy rồi. Nó phải chạy lươn tích. Thật má, không bao bị đăng luôn. Chả đã quẹt môi đã mua tạm cái này trong đó ok chạy hụi hao thiệt ngó vậy
I'll wait for him to get closer.
mặt tôi lùi ngó mặt tôi lùi ngó what the hell chết tuôn anh ấy si pu vào đây ok ngọt tiếc chả mấy mình đừng dứt tịch
I'll wait for him to get closer. I'll wait for him to get closer. I'll wait for him to get closer.
nếu mà nó mình ngọt rồi nó mình ngọt anh ấy bay buôn tôi lùi tại nơi này anh ấy bà hơi rồi này thấy ít cái rồi còn hơi rồi này ok phật hôm ngọt quá nó sập pin nè nòng poco thuê lời hả
Dude, where'd your weapon go?
Into that ice big-sized hole.
Holy
clear
shit.
các ba lại
It's cool. Now we've got this.
Are you
ok nhưng mà là vột đấy nè cứ một thầu dọc thầu máu
Two more.
khai giả ná ba thầu rồi khai giả ná tiếp ồ ôi dương đa
Why don't you guys lag behind just in case this goes to hell?
okay?
lột lốp á lột lốp đó bay nè tranh khmoi vì nè môi men lương môi men bật thử ok trời bịa máu mà trời mày đánh cái ba là hợp thời đánh cái ba là bật khmoi như là ngon vậy chắc mà nơi qua tiền này
Hello in there. We're here to help.
Please just go away.
Let's go, guys.
In a minute. If you open up, we can take you
từ này
somewhere
là ngon
safe.
nè
We've got a group in town.
She's in
trời
trouble.
vài
Miss, we're coming in.
ok bạn thuyền máu chả muối nó ớt mà giói chứ vậy
Stop.
ớt
Just
chui vậy
stop. I'm coming out.
có đi ghế bạn thuyền tan rồi lắm
You're hurt.
Oh, God.
I said stay away.
We need to get you help.
It's too late for that.
Guys, she's been bitten.
What?
I told you. I said go away. I'm bit.
mày nơi lần run nữa
Just leave.
Let's calm down. You could be fine.
I won't be fine. My boyfriend was bitten. You get sick and you die, and you come back and you kill anything you can find.
thơm mấy viên ngọt vậy
Glenn,
I don't want that. It's not Christian. Please, just leave me. Please go.
game nó đăng lên đo ngày nào cho rồi này
Okay, we'll leave.
game nó miên
Just
miên phiệu pi mới tiết
try
đấy
to take care of
ở
yourself.
season
Whatever
pi
time you have
là
left.
nhung phong lấy season 10 nhưng mới cho bạn cho season pi
You have a gun.
so,
Can I borrow it?
what do you mean borrow?
Give it to me. I can just,
nhưng mà
you know, end
trong
this
vô
and then
lưng cho
there's
chị
no
vợ luôn này
problem.
men
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Please, I don't want to be one of them. They're satanic.
Give it to her.
What? You can't be serious.
bỏ lên thử
Do
sẽ
it.
ghê
No,
do
Do
it
it.
fine. You're all fucking crazy. I've seen what hell is like, and it's
Này,
coming
bữa
back
chị
as
vuốt
one
khlang á.
of those things.
trời
Thank you so much. I know how terrible this must be.
We can't watch this. Let's go.
We can't go yet.
What? Why not?
Because somebody needs to pick up the gun. Can't leave it. You two go on.
Okay.
Yo, anh thầm chọn vô luôn đây man. Mấy rô to té miền nơi man. Vô lượng anh vào luôn anh đạp cháu đó chứ. Này không mà chuối ăn bớ. Chuối ngọt đá lên. Đừng mò tới ấy áo mà chuối ngọt rồi.
Everyone all right?
Yeah, we had some close calls, but Glenn is fine, and, well, yeah, we're okay.
I've got a few cans of gas for your pickup in the trunk of my car.
Good to hear it.
And things back here?
Quiet. Our friend is still in and out over there. He won't survive any more stress.
The next order of business is getting those pills out of the pharmacy.
Try to get some rest, hon.
It's
How
all
can I
loaded
with
now.
those things out there?
Mình đã chọn xong nhầm nuôi đi đấy.
Hey, Lee.
Đúng rồi.
Really gave that old man hell.
Yeah, we got pushed, you know.
You don't have to tell me. I was ready to tear the man's head off. Anyway, we, Kat and I, appreciate your support.
Thank you, Lee.
What's the plan?
Hang tight, I suppose. Seems pretty dangerous out there, so we ought to wait for things to clear up.
You said your family was from here in Macon?
That's right.
Where are they? Should we go looking for them?
I don't know.
Well, wouldn't they be at their house or somewhere like that?
Đúng rồi.
Kat, it's not our business.
Not sure they made it. We passed some houses on the way in, and things are pretty bad here.
Well, you just don't know.
How's Duck doing?
He's okay. It was just a shock.
We're lucky as hell nobody got nabbed on the way in here.
No kid.
How's she doing?
She's good, I think.
She's a tough one right there.
She's just a little girl, Ken.
Were you saying, Lee, she spent days surviving on her own?
That's right.
Not just any little girl can do that.
Are you guys all right?
But we're just fine, considering.
How about you, Duck?
We've all been through a lot.
Lee, you got a second?
Sure.
Back on Herschel's farm.
Yeah.
We didn't even try to save him. That blood is on our hands, you know?
We let that boy die.
I know, man. I know.
It wouldn't have taken much.
That's what I keep thinking. I keep seeing his face.
Chùm lại mình tầm mũi ấy chứ. Hỏi đi tiết. Hỏi cho
Look at
chết.
I don't know if I can carry this.
What else
Sau
is there
mình
to
pi
do?
mình bay rồi đấy. Mình ấy chuột quá này. Vô là bỏ tôi hỏi.
I don't remember the film.
Mấy là này rút thọt cái buồn đấy. Lắm. Nó với nhá.
No, I'm sorry to hear your loved one was eaten by the living dead guards.
Mấy đứa khăm ơi không nâng. Sẽ tập bộ khăm ơi. Nhưng mà tụ ông bông chế cái sẽ khăm ơi này. Dương mình có phơi không đại giật. Mấy cái dương mang vô có phơi ta nên thấy đoạn miền này.
Looks like nobody got a chance to donate anything before this all went down. How's your finger, Clem?
Good. It doesn't hurt so much anymore.
Good. I know I'm not your dad, but if you need anything, I'm your guy, okay?
Okay. Same.
You're my guy?
Oh, no. You know.
We're gonna try to take care of each other.
Yes. Deal.
Let me know if you need anything.
Okay.
មើលមានអីធ្វើអត់
How you doing, man?
You know.
Do you know the combination for the lock on the gate outside?
Why?
Oh, you know. I thought I'd go stretch my legs.
You're probably better off breaking it if you have to.
What's your next move?
I don't know. I mean, you guys seem okay.
What about your family?
ទៅហើយជិះ
Yeah, I
Forget it, man. That's your business.
hate feeling like I can't do anything.
I know the feeling, man.
ឃើញស្អប់អារម្មណ៍បែបនេះ
Back the motor in.
How can it be that bad so fast?
You know, when things are taken away, people do crazy shit.
I guess. That's not me. I'm not giving up. Not for anything.
Good, man. Good.
You let her do it, you know? You said give her the gun.
I know I did.
Why the hell would you do that?
Mercy,
មិន
man.
ក្រោយ
I couldn't let her go on like that. We couldn't.
You never know. You can't give up hope.
I think it was over for her, Glenn. Try to get some rest.
Yeah, right.
ហេអត់ទេអត់ដឹងធ្វើអីទៀតទេនេះគេថានេះអត់អីជួយទេ
How we doing?
Good. Want to go have a look around outside?
អឺ
Let's have a look around.
Okay.
វ៉ាវយើងមានពូថៅឈុយអត់ទាន់ខ្មោចច្រើនទេបើយើងមានកំភ្លើងគ្រាន់
Yeah, that's a hasty fortification job over there.
Yeah, it didn't work.
ហើយគេបន្ថៃយើងអាចកាត់ទ្វារនឹងបានហើយអូខេវត្តលឿនមក
That place is full of TVs and electronics. Did you guys try to get in there and get weapons?
I did, but it was too risky. And then a bunch of guys showed up and they tried.
And what happened?
I think they're most of who you see wandering around out there.
I can't reach that brick.
Hey man, what are you doing?
Trong cắt
Think about
thuê.
going out there
Thế
unless
ạ,
the
bạn
keys
cắt
are
tiết
out
rồi
there
đấy.
For sure.
Let's head back inside.
Okay.
ទៅវិញមកមិនដឹងធ្វើស្អីបងយើងជាប់នៅក្នុងកន្លែងម៉ាតហ្នឹងឯងសារបាក់ខ្មោចនេះនៅក្រៅយើងត្រូវដោះខ្វេះមួយចំណុចទៅមួយចំណុចសិនអឺអ្នកស្អីអូចូលអ្នកស្អីហ្នឹងលើកលេងមានអីឲ្យជួយអាពីអ្នកឪកូននេះមានអីជួយអត់
How's it doing?
I'm not sure I got your name.
It's Lee.
Lily. My dad's Larry.
លឺ
I was just doing what I had to earlier.
Everyone was.
Now his heart's acting up again and I'm powerless to do anything. And that violence before with my dad didn't help.
What's wrong with him?
He's got a heart condition. He takes nitroglycerin tablets pretty regularly. I've seen a few bad attacks that he couldn't get over and needed to go to the hospital.
Yeah, that's not really an option right now.
I'm just trying to keep him relaxed.
He's got a temper.
Ah, fuck you.
Yeah.
យល់អា
he
តា
doesn't
នេះឆ្លើយ
It's just that
Yeah.
you got kids here. Family.
He and I are a family.
I'm just saying some people can't handle a temper like that. Hell, really seems like you can.
It's just his way. Don't make him the reason everything's screwed. Where's her mom?
Savannah, I think.
Oh. You guys aren't
Savannah.
together.
Oh, no, I'm not her dad.
ឈ្មោះចម្លែក
I
ចម្លែក
found her in a house when getting out of Atlanta. She'd been surviving by herself. I think the girl's parents didn't make it.
Oh.
I heard an answering message. They were in Savannah. She was home with a sitter. It wasn't good.
Well, she's lucky to have you.
នាង
You're from here?
I work at Warner Robins, the Air Force Base.
Yeah, I know it. Pilot.
Nah, just mechanical admin stuff. I deal with a bunch of shitheads and bureaucrats all day. Sometimes a plane, if I'm lucky. You?
I work up at UGA. Was anyone here when you guys got here?
No, this place was pretty wrecked. We pulled a couple of bodies out of the office. Are you okay?
Yeah.
I'm fine.
Oh yeah.
Did you know anybody here?
Yeah, the owners, we were close.
I'm sorry. We found an older couple in the office. Dad hauled them out in case they weren't really dead.
What do you think about all this?
What is there to think? The dead are up, walking around, eating people, and turning them into more of them. I mean, Jesus.
We need to stick together and get through
Okay.
this.
I'm gonna get back to him.
Sounds good.
Thuế thì lọt trâu tới lọt trâu rồi tay lo mô lộn lên cái lọ bàn ở bò ấy lại chứ ấy anh do
Luckily, there's nothing I need in here.
anh đi trời cao
Dad kept the remote for that thing in here someplace. The parents came in here hoping to survive. But it looks like one of them was hurt. I wonder if it was my dad. Trying to be a hero, maybe. Protect her at least.
trâu đó lại nó lên vào rồi ồ thì bàn tay cho mình phải thầy
The keys are on that zombie out on the street.
trong tay sói mẹ cắt thuế bay
It's the remote to my dad's TV.
ok giờ miền tây lấy rồi giờ bao tù tua mới
Dad told me he bought that TV to watch baseball in here, but I caught him watching his stories more than a few times.
play này bao cơ bạn mới rồi
That's what I figured.
ok anh mê mới rồi sao mày mà
That's what I figured.
ok tê lấy nó phải cho mình phải dội
How's your finger?
It's okay. Thanks for fixing it.
How's your finger?
It's okay. Thanks for fixing it.
I'm gonna
Okay.
keep looking around.
ở đấy giờ
Okay.
đâu anh miền 6 người ta rồi sao trả thuê miền ấy là dương ai chui ba đấy ok
Looks like nobody got a chance to donate anything before this all went down.
tuần trời cá ta dương miền tây này trong tay
Story of the century here, huh?
Yeah, and I've got shit for recording equipment. And from the looks of it, there isn't going to be any shortage of first-hand accounts.
You do radio.
That's right. Well, until some piece of shit politicians yank our funding, and I hit the blogosphere.
mấy trong này nãy chui này miền trong ao thì chui này cái đấy
That guy saved you?
Yeah, can you believe it? Those creeps, or ghouls, or whatever the hell they are, they were pulling our van apart, and that guy, Doug, just came to the rescue.
You can never tell who the heroic ones are gonna be, I suppose.
He's kind of cute. In that parents' basement sort of way.
Huh?
Huh? Oh, nothing.
How'd you end up here?
We drove up to cover the Cherry Blossom Festival. Real hard-hitting stuff.
Sounds worth it. That radio sign-off didn't
Are you
sound too
okay?
bad. Are you okay?
I'm fine.
You don't have to be. It's traumatic.
I'm sure some people got out. Maybe they're all being rescued. Then again, maybe not.
Central High Tech State. Papers a week old. Feels like years.
Họ đang thưa ấy tiết rồi nè, miền Tây lây rồi.
Can I
Cái
do
số
anything
nối
for
xây
you,
mà.
Carly?
I'm fine, thanks.
Okay, ơi rồi.
No, I'm sorry to hear your loved one was eaten by the living dead cards.
Họ lại thưa ấy tiết là thưa ấy tiết. Nhưng bàn tay lây máu là hôm nay cho chú tua đa chứ vật bạn cho chú tua đa bàn mời em sẽ bên đây em chui á.
If you don't mind, I think my family and I are gonna rest for a bit. Let me know if that asshole over there takes a turn for the worse.
You got it.
Ọt đó hả? Người em oi thơ nè. À mấy bạn lại cho cái này năng tiền này. Tao quên anh miên tao cho này.
That's the door to the pharmacy. We should be able to find pills for Larry in there.
Cái này này bài miên ăn cái bằng ấy mà cho tới vừa miên play ngồi là khó play chứ.
That's what I figured.
Này oi thơ bên tề này ta. Anh đang thuê tiền này. Bữa ba cái thuê mình bán phải trâu rồi em sẽ. Còn là thơ bu lên tay cho này.
Hey,
I'm gonna get back to him.
sounds good.
Nè. Sum nổ số bọn nó số oi, ăn bê thơ bọn. Okay. Nhưng nơi lại này tao thấy mới đấy hoạt giàu nhỉ.
How we doing?
Good. Want to go have a look around outside?
Not now.
All right.
Nọt
How we doing?
giờ.
Good. Want to go
Tại
have a
sao
look
mày
around
mà-
outside?
Cái thằng ở lại ông men
Let's have a look
lên men
around.
lại như thế
Okay.
cái tay thằng khẽ. Bắt thuê nó bạn bạn.
I can't reach that brick.
Rồi men tê lấy em đang dùng chia sẻ vô này.
Verification job over there.
Yeah, it didn't work.
That guy over there has the keys.
How can you be sure?
I found this in the office. That boy in the photo worked here. The keys being on him is as good a bet as we can make.
Yeah, I agree. We just need to figure out how to get out there and get them. You wouldn't need long, right?
Nah, just a few seconds.
Maybe there's a way to distract them and buy you some time.
Em mà đang thơ ấy nè.
Guys try to get in there and get weapons.
Did, but it was too risky.
Thằng này đang đi ở bàn sai game chờ nó đi ban bản tí. Cái lại thì chui nó phải chui ở bàn ở mẹ ban với nhau
Most
vậy.
of them you see wandering around.
Không thì chui dục lưng anh lập nó này. Chui bờ tê lấy cá.
Open sesame.
That won't work.
I was kidding.
It's universal, but not that universal.
I know, Doc.
Ót bị dạo vậy tại. Tôi quên như rồi.
Think you can do anything with this?
You know what I could do?
What's that?
It's universal. I could program it to work with those
Chết
TVs.
kia chết tê lên chết tương dọc rồi.
Just hope the power's still on.
You can just do that?
ok ồ tay lê vừa mến ọt với gió gì
Sense might save a life.
Who's to say it already hasn't? I got a
ok
feeling
không mỏi
the
mơ
kid
tôi
would
này
But not enough.
ọt miên po mơ vậy so không ai lụt sạch bông tray mà ok
What's everyone like in there?
Oh, well, Carly's pretty nice.
tay lấy dùng phở rồi vậy lấy dùng phở rồi thì có thuê chén
Doesn't take any crap.
ta dùng mà thao mùi
Keeping people on watch.
hà mũi đi đang hoài không ai ra rồi
Dad,
Yeah, that guy.
he's kind of a dick. Pardon my French.
Bad guy.
Those TVs are on, and I'm sure they're making a lot of noise behind that glass. Did you guys try to get in there and get weapons?
I did, but it was too risky. And then a bunch of guys showed up and they tried.
And what happened?
I think they're most of them you see wandering
Really
around
got
out
out.
there. Awesome. Now to distract those things.
Lấy sau
Carefully.
sau những cắt ta chứ ta lấy những trời thời thời kì bạc thuê đây ồ vô tôm ếch ok
Man, that's a hasty fortification job over there.
Yeah, it didn't work.
phải có bà mũi không được cho mọi người
Few seconds of searching it, we'll know if he has the keys.
những bạn đông ếch đấy là đây này tôi có thể ấy cho chấm tích
Did you guys try to get in there and get weapons?
I did, but it was too risky. And then a bunch of guys showed up and they tried.
And what happened?
I think they're most of them you see wandering around out there.
như đông ếch đang thời cột chọ từ tua luôn mình à thằng men gì khăn tiếng à ok
Now's the time.
ok bọn nó về từ room đang ở chân chừng miền play rồi nhưng miền play chạy
Yeah, that's a
rừng
hasty
to cô thớ phải
fortification
gì à mồi nữa
job over
à mồi bông đi
Yeah,
cô play chỉ có rồi
work.
ok
Be careful.
Keep an eye out, will you? Hey, bud. I don't know what happened to Mom and Dad, but I know
rồi
a
đang
few
làm mấy rừng ấy cao lá kìa
die for them. Yeah, I'm gonna assume that's what happened.
Did you find them yet?
Give me a second.
trái say lư lư mẹ
Sorry, man.
sorry sắp tôi
But knew what you were.
thầy nữa tạ đấy
That helped.
ok đã rồi và thầy đã rồi à. Xong tô ngó mà thay em đĩa rồi con ngó mẹ mùi tiết và hơi vậy ó toàn ngọt tiệt nè ní ngọt mà mấy từ bộ quay giờ cả đá các ba muối ngọt rồi này cặp cà co với cặp đại ok bán 6 ấy 6 chạ thuê đúng không ok
Holy crap! Run!
ok run ok bật thuê ok chục chơi giờ chục chơi giờ
Man, that was close. But we did it. That's all that matters. I've got the keys.
Great. God, you're amazing. Let's
great ok ồ tạm bật thuê nhưng trâu mô pin nè dây nè nhưng anh thua bán cứ chả sao chọn đấng ắt cầm băng ta không miền nào vậy ok ở miền này ấy.
Oh no. Shit. We gotta hurry.
Quả này nhẹ rồi ở tôn ngọt mặt tôn lùi cái ta cái này quả nó lấy snow máu rồi một đông kia đang rồi
Doc, come on, baby, time to go.
I'm gonna get the truck pulled up round back.
Thuyền láng miền cô thế này
I don't plan on dilly-dallying. Honey, take Duck into the office and barricade the living hell out of the door behind me. Glenn, when you hear me honking in the alley, start getting people out of here. You got it. Doug, Carly, and Lee, you guys make sure our defenses stay up till then. And Lee, I better take that axe in case I run into any of them on the way
miền
to my
cô thế
truck.
này hai miền cô thế này
Right,
hai
that door's not locked anymore. Shit! You three, get on it! I'll get back as fast as I can.
Stay away from the windows.
tục thuê ok
If we don't make it through this, you should know that I think you're a great
chẳng
guy.
rai vô xem mà mình ăn cái bằng ấy gọi bạc thuê thằng bàn phim
Shut up, Doug.
Doug, if we don't make it through this, you should know.
hey, come on
I should know what?
Huh?
You said I should know.
On it.
bra chơi rồi chuối đã cái này chứ mà
Clementine, can you look for something to stick in between the handles? Something
Clementine rồi đây
Okay.
ok
Clementine, did you find anything?
Nothing. Wait.
The window is through.
Go!
I found something.
đang ngọt rồi chơi cặp lư mất bánh tư là đào mong đang tia ơi chui na tục na này tìm phật miền đang tia ơi chui nhẹ sợi trong đó anh sẽ off na đang chui thằng piệt cao mà chui bàn môi mùi fuck bro.
Oh my god.
Let's go.
We got Doug. Safe.
Bị bắn chân à.
You gotta move.
Trời. mấy bạn chẳng ô
I'm not letting somebody else get eaten today. Especially a good friend.
ô ta nâng à ô mà ta nâng thử ô anh không chui bia ok bắt cua xóa cắt sấy thì ơi ủa hết game chẳng chẳng dưng lên đâu cái lại mỗi dưng mày rộng tha tôi giờ ồ vạ tôi vô thì
Hey, Glenn.
I think I need to go.
To Atlanta.
Yeah, I got friends there. And I just can't stay here knowing that they could be trapped in that city.
Sounds like nobody knows what's happening there. When we left a few days ago, could have gone either way.
I gotta take my chances.
I think you're making the wrong call.
Maybe. But I'd rather make the wrong call and no than make the right call and not.
I respect that.
You guys be safe.
We'll try.
And Lee, you know, if this doesn't get better, people are going to give up. Like the girl from upstairs.
oh
Just gonna let them? You told Carly to give her the gun.
Yeah, I did.
Maybe you were right. I don't know how to handle something like that. Anyway, see you around.
dạ rồi cái này chẳng ngày nâng dừng tập anh nâng sao đấy cái thai về điện du đấy ok bạn nâng sao đấy bye